All right, time to put that sweet ending on the show. And guys, Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, for those of you who would have been following Home Sweet Home during the course of when we started from lockdown into after lockdown, Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles provided some wonderful recipes cooking at home, and she is back. I truly missed her on the Cup of Joe set, so she is back.
I missed you too.
And she's putting a sweet ending on the show today. I'm seeing that looks like this looks like fudge.
It is fudge.
It is fudge.
Now, what I've realized is a lot of people love fudge, but they're scared of making fudge.
Very scared. I mean,
you know, the bubbling, chopping on your skin,
right.
The burning, the time in it. So we are going to make a microwave fudge.
Microwave it? Yeah.
Yes, salted dulce de leche.
Hey, that's my
fudge.
favorite.
Now, one of the tricks, you know, that I want to tell our viewers is this: if you can't find dulce de leche, you can make your own.
Yes.
Right.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. You take a tin of condensed milk, you put it in a pot like we have here.
Right.
You have to make sure that the condensed milk is totally covered, submerged in the water, and you leave it boiling for about 3 hours.
3 hours?
For about 3 hours.
So you have to top back up the water when the water boils down?
The water. Now what I like to do is just put my kettle on and have the kettle hot all the time, so the water doesn't have to start to reboil every time you put cook.
That's a good chef tip. Right, so you have hot water always ready
to pour into it if it goes down.
And when that condensed milk comes out?
And when that condensed milk comes out, it comes like this.
Wow.
It gives you that kind of, you know, taffy taste.
Yeah.
Right.
Caramelly. A little caramel.
Yeah, because remember the condensed milk is sweet sugar, so it caramelizes inside of the tin.
Yeah.
So you can make it quick and easy and a little cheaper than buying a bottle.
Yeah.
Right? And as I said, it's microwave, very quick, very easy. So we're using caster sugar, Regal Caster Sugar. Why? Because it's fine and it's going to break down a little faster in the microwave than if we use the normal sugar. Right? So we're going to use the whole pack.
The whole pack?
Whole pack.
Wait, sir.
Now, one thing as well is once we pour everything in the bowl, we do not want to stir it. You want it to start to melt and bubble before we start to stir the ingredients from the microwave. Right? So we have the caster sugar. We put in our dulce de leche. Right? Butter. And we're going to put it in some salt because remember it's salted. So I put a little sea salt in there. And we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes to start with. There we go. So you see how it's already started to get bubbly. Let me bring it. Right, and this is when we want to stir it. Once we stir this, we're going to put it back in the microwave for another 12 minutes and check it every 2 minutes or so to make sure that we get this nice golden brown color that we have here. So we're going to put this mixture back into the microwave for 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
All right, so here we go. So it's bubbling. All right, and we have a final thing that we have to put in there. Now people, be very careful because it will still bubble, and this is the color you want. So I'm going to put some vinegar in there.
Whoa, what's the purpose of the vinegar?
The vinegar is going to help it set and stop it from crystallizing.
Okay. Wow, look at the reaction of that vinegar.
Yep, acid.
Microwave fudge.
Microwave fudge. See that nice golden color? We're just going to pour it into our greased pan. I'm going to put some more salt on top of it so that when it sets, you have the saltiness sitting on top of it. And you just leave it out. You don't put it in the fridge.
No refrigeration?
No refrigeration. You leave it till it sets and it starts to harden. You don't want it too hard. You pop it out, you cut it, and then you finish leaving it to rest so that it will firm up further.
How long will that take approximately?
It depends on the pan that you use. So like this, in this baking pan, it might take about an hour or two. Because remember, the pan starts to take the heat. So the
Right.
pan is very hot if you feel it, because the mixture we put in it was very hot.
Yeah.
So it might take about an hour or two to
Wow.
cool down.
And then you get these bad boys.
And then you get those bad
Then
boys.
you get these bad boys. My goodness. Guys, yeah. Simple and easy as that. Microwave fudge. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles whips up another tasty treat. Sweet Endings brought to you by the folks at Regal Products. That's going to do it for today. I'm going to have my fudge now. Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products.